In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a form in Zoho Campaigns. Let's get started by navigating to your mailing list. The first thing you'll want to do is head over to the Contacts tab. Once you're there, select the option for List Management. This area is your central hub for managing all of your mailing lists, and it's where you'll go to interact with them in various ways. Find the specific mailing list where you want to collect subscribers. You can either hover over the list or click it directly. This will bring up more options that pertain specifically to that list. Look for the option labeled More Actions. Click on it and then select Sign Up Form. Alternatively, if you prefer visual guidance, you can open the list and click the Sign Up Form option located on the right side. This will lead you to your form building section. Now, let's move on to designing and customizing your form. This step is crucial as it involves a four-phase process to ensure your form looks and functions exactly how you want it to. In Phase 1, you'll focus on the initial design elements like the title and description of your form. Make sure this text is clear and inviting, as it's the first impression potential subscribers will have. Select the fields you'd like to include, such as name, email, or any custom fields that are relevant to your needs. Phase 2 involves styling your form to align with your brand. Choose colors, fonts, and layouts that are consistent with your overall brand image. This helps to create a cohesive experience for your audience. Pay attention to the overall theme, as a well-designed form can significantly boost engagement. In the third phase, you'll set up your form's integrations and automations. If you have other Zoho products or third-party tools that you want to connect with, now is the time to do it. This could involve integrating with CRM tools, automating responses based on submissions, or linking to marketing campaigns. By setting up these processes, you ensure a smoother workflow and better data management. The final phase focuses on reviewing your form for accuracy and functionality. Double-check all the details, ensure that fields are labeled correctly, the form functions smoothly, and that any linked actions or automations are set up as intended. Take a moment to preview your form, which allows you to see it from the subscriber's perspective. This is your chance to make any last-minute tweaks or adjustments before it's published. Once you're satisfied with your form, go ahead and save it. Congrats! You've successfully created a sign-up form in Zoho Campaigns. This tool is an excellent way to gather subscribers effortlessly and keep in touch with your audience. Feel free to share the form link across your platforms to start collecting new contacts immediately. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Zoho Campaigns tutorials.